Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Traveler Tyler. I have been in Chiang Mai for 1 week and I have seen nothing. I've had food poisoning the entire time I've been here. I think I got it at a night market in Ayutthaya, rather. Yeah, so that sucks. I haven't recorded anything. I'm starting to feel better today. I'm at least able to go out and about for walks. I'm halfway through my round of antibiotics, so I think that's helping. Just gonna keep it easy, check out some temples today, maybe do Doi Suthep tomorrow, and yeah, feel kind of like I wasted a week, so gonna fit a lot of stuff into the next few days, hopefully. First men-only temple I've seen. It's not really too common. A little map of the old town. It's pretty cool. I was a little thirsty, so I got a sugar-free Sprite, but it is only lemon flavor, no lime. I don't know, if you ask me, there's no lime, it's not Sprite. Sprite is lemon lime. All this is sparkling lemonade. Right, I'm actually feeling a bit better today, so I'm actually gonna try to go out and do something. I gotta rent a scooter and go to Doi Suthep National Park. Come along.
little bit more.
More?
Okay. And cabbage. And bean sprout.
Good.
And chicken.
Oh yeah.
A lot of chicken. More chicken, more protein.
Yes. It's good.
Okay. Oh, you put inside here?
Put inside here?
Yeah, for about 15 seconds. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Okay, so put inside the bowl. Nice. And you take the soup inside here. Let's see, boy. Good. Do you like it?
Yes, it's very nice.
Nice. So the seasoning is here. Come and see. Come. Coriander, garlic, and chili powder. Really hot, okay? You love spicy. It's up to you. Haha, it's yours. And a vinegar. Peanut. Crab. Sugar. And then tomato. Soy sauce, and then fish sauce. Okay, chopstick or spoon or fork. Okay, spoon. Nice. ครับผมนี่
Yeah. Oh, the go. Little big guy. Yeah. Oh, you're so big. You're so big.
Tom.
Sugar cane?
ต้องครับ
Hello. You hungry? You hungry? Yeah. Oh, I know. Okay. I'll bring you some. I know. Yeah. Okay.
Marco, laugh you
I know. What? Open. Up.
Wow.
I don't have any food. I don't have any. I know.
Do you guys have any idea why they are eat a lot elephant?
Low nutrient.
Only low nutrient, right? Low nutrient. So any more idea?
Playing with the elephants today was so much fun. It's a sanctuary, so they're treated very, very well. I think a lot of them are actually rescues, or all of them are rescues actually. But yeah, highly recommend checking that out while you're in Chiang Mai if you come up here. Yeah, it was just an amazing time. Now we're back in the city. I think they have like a candle dance going on, they call it, by the Three Kings Monument. So we're gonna check that out and grab some food and see where the night takes us. Lantern Festival was a lot of fun. It's amazing how packed Chiang Mai was. There were so many people. It was crazy. Real good time though. Now it's about 7. I looked at a watch that isn't even there. It's 7:50 or so in the morning. I'm gonna have some people come pick me up between 8 and 8:30, and I'm going ATV riding in the jungle. Got my camera on my helmet. Here we go. ATVs were a lot of fun today. To be completely honest, I don't know if it was quite worth 3,500 baht. Kind of pushing it, but still got to ride around for 3 hours in the jungle. That was pretty cool. Our guide took us on the right paths and everything, and we saw a little village up top where people lived on top of the mountain, and that was pretty cool as well. Now I'm heading to the parades. I don't know exactly what they involve, but we're on our way.
The Krathong procession of Rajamakon University of Technology Lana is created based upon the beliefs of sailing a junk boat on the Yi Peng Festival. The vivid lights represent the wealth and abundance of Chiang Mai. A flower pot, Buranakata, on the pavilion is surrounded by deities wishing peace and harmony for the city. The majestic junk boat, Supaburana Nawa,
ชียงใหม่ประถมบทเวทีความงามได้ถือกำเนิดขึ้นครั้งแรกในงานเฉลิมฉลองรัฐธรรมนูญปี 2477 และจัดประกวดต่อเนื่องกันมาอย่างยาวนานสาวงามผู้ดำรงตำแหน่งเปรียบเสมือนทูตสายสัมพันธ์ทางวัฒนธรรมและการท่องเที่ยวของจังหวัดเชียงใหม่
All right. Hopefully that'll do. To buy. Here we go.